Pwede kayo makisabay kung sino may mic dyan. Brenna, pwede bang sumabay ka? The morning starts to shine with teardrops in my eyes. And here I am alone, starting to realize that my days will be brighter if I could learn to find the feeling that I have in you. Keep me inside. But if you say that you love me, show me that you care. When I can barely say goodnight, if I can hardly take my eyes from yours, how far can I go? Lost my mind. I couldn't turn my back on spring of your smile is when I say your ways.
Mamaya na nga.
Be my lady, come to me and take my hand and be my lady. Truly, I must let you know that I'm in love with you. All I want is you. How I need you. So please be my lady. Maybe you could lose the pain if you just tell me. Say the words you want to whisper that I want to hear. Something's on your mind, isn't it? In your smile, be my lady. Just forget the past, it's time to mend your broken heart. No walls divide us now, so dry the tears in your eyes. Now You are the song playing so softly in my heart. I reach for you. You seem so near and yet so far. I hope and I pray you'll be with me someday, 'cause I know down inside you are mine and I'm yours. True love, please no more dreaming. How can I, each time I cry, you say goodbye? You are there, you look my way, I'll touch the sky. We can share tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there to love you so. You are my soul. Everybody, happy retirement and happy transfer.